Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to round up numbers on your spreadsheet on Google Sheets. First of all, just open your spreadsheet and follow these simple steps. So now here I have these three random numbers and all I have to do is to round them up. To do so, all we need is to use a formula, and so we will uh, start with the symbol equal, or the equal operator, because it is the initiator of formula or the operator of formulas. Because if you didn't insert it, it won't considered as a formula by the Google Sheets. So always start with uh, equal symbol, and we will do this function. It is called the roundup. It is the roundup function. All we have to do is to select our value. In this case, I will have it in this cell. Just select your cell here, and it will take the value uh, uh, and close parentheses, so it is finished. So you say that you finished the formula. We just click enter. As you can see, our number, it is round up. Now, to do it for many cells without repeating each time, type in roundup, etc. All we have is to click on our formula cell, or the cell that contains the formula, and just drag this plus sign or the plus symbol and fill it like that. As you can see, this one will take this value, it is the C8, and it will apply the formula that we did. As you can see, those are our rounded up values or numbers, and this is how we do it in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.